Hello friends, today I am going to show you how to add Social Blade to your YouTube account. First of all, go to Google and search Social Blade Extension. Then click first website. Here add to Chrome. Click here. Then add extension. Click here. So file downloads, and then your Social Blade has entered through your Chrome browser. Then register your Social Blade. So email and the password. And then login. So I have a problem with my account. You will enter your account. You will successfully add Social Blade to your YouTube account. So if video is helpful, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching my video.